Meet Janice, an alumni with an associate's degree in human services. She transferred to the University of Montana to pursue a bachelor's in social work, exemplifying how ANC prepares students for seamless transitions to other universities. She took full advantage of ANC's 2+2 program, which allows students to earn their associate's degree before transferring, setting a strong foundation for her continued education. You're up, Janice.
Hey Alex, thanks for that introduction. I can remember being a high school senior and picking my top 2 college choices, but I felt staying at home was best. So there I was, a freshman at Aaniiih Nakoda College, ready to conquer the world, or so I thought. It unfortunately didn't work out. It's been 8 years since then, and I had always told myself that when my children were old enough to attend school, I would go back, and I did just that. At Aaniiih Nakoda College, I love the sense of community, belonging, and most importantly, the encouragement. Our staff and instructors are so helpful and make it clear that they care about us and our education. Not to mention, ANC focuses on preparing students for their careers. Many of the programs here incorporate practical experiences like internships and hands-on training you can't get anywhere else. This allows students to apply what they've learned out in the real world. ANC also partners with 4-year universities through its 2+2 program, where students can spend 2 years here to earn their associate's degree and 2 years at another college to earn their bachelor's degree. So I graduated from ANC with my associate's degree in human services and now transferred to the social work program at the University of Montana. Thanks to ANC, I am able to pursue my bachelor's in social work after saving a lot of money my first 2 years. When I first started college, I never thought that I would pursue higher studies, but thanks to my wonderful advisors, I have now become a student of life, which gives me the confidence to use the education that I have received for a brighter future. That's my story, Alex. Back to you.
Janice, thank you for sharing your journey with us. It's wonderful that ANC has helped you feel prepared to broaden your educational horizons. And your determination, it's truly inspiring. We can't wait to see where your journey leads you next. Thanks again.